will start this video with a big thank you. I have already my first 1,000 subscribers. At the moment I'm a little bit over, but I really want to say thank you, and I will try to be more helpful and I will try to upload more videos. And I want to start also with a question. Who are you? From where are you? How did you find my video? And I want you to write that in the comments below. And the second question will be, what do you expect from this channel? Are you more crocheter? Are you more into crochet? Are you more into knitting? And maybe there is some things which you are looking and you didn't find an answer. So all your comments, I'm waiting, and I will definitely read. So please feel free to ask. You will give me ideas and I will try my best. And now let's move on to the main part of this video. I want to show you what I have been working on recently. You will find here crochet and knitting related accessories and garments as well. And maybe I will share my also future plans. Yeah, let's go. And I want to start with what I have on already. This is my crochet top. I did finish it last summer and I was wearing, and I really like it. It's just this nice fine 100% linen yarn I used, and I made adjustable straps just in case the linen yarn will stretch and I will need to redo my straps. No, I just said okay, I will just make this adjustable. That is my first project. Let's move on to the next one. Next thing what I was wearing this winter was this beautiful sweater. I also finished it, I believe, finished it just before the winter started. And because I live in Turkey, it was perfect, as in keeping warm. It's merino and silk mix. I took a video how it plays in the sun, how sparkly, how silky the fabric is. And also it was absolutely amazing. I really love it and I will continue wearing it. These are two of my latest knitting projects. I really was interested in this style model, and it really suits for wearing under the jacket when you don't want to wear a scarf or warm sweater, because you definitely will get hot in my place where I live. So it was really good replacement of the warm jumper under it. And I really struggled with these. I don't know, I mean, I wanted to knit them in one piece. Once the yellow one I started from the top to bottom. I believe that was a mistake, because as you know, if you knit ribbing and if you started from bottom to top and you want to start knit other way, you will have stitches not aligned. You will have half a stitch of misalignment. And yeah, and I just decided that I will do this horizontal knit line, which is very simple to do. By the way, I have also a Pinterest account, and I'm sharing there some small videos of all these techniques I use in my garments. And because sometimes they are just too small to make separate video, I just do little shorts and idea pins in my Pinterest account, so you can come and watch my creation there. And now you can see I tied up my hair, and this was another project I used for my scrap yarn, exactly to use my leftovers, which would not be enough for anything else. So I did the hair scrunchie, and at the moment my hair are long enough so I can tie them up. And I made 3 of them, and these are 2 more I made. This one is from some old yarn. I mean, it had mohair and I believe acrylic, really old. This was the first I tried. This one, this is from the linen leftovers from this crochet top. For all of them I use the same crochet hook size, they're just a little bit different weight, yarn weight, so they are a little bit in different size, and because you see the difference what the yarn makes in the looks. I have a separate video how to make these scrunchies. They look like knitted, but they are not, they are crocheted, so I just leave the link below. And of course, my crochet bucket hat. I already wearing it. It's really comfortable. It holds the shape even without anything. I didn't put any strengtheners inside. I just chose the paper yarn, which holds the shape very good. And I will continue to wearing it, and I'm already ordered some yarn in different color, the same type. I also have a separate video, and also have description on my website. Everything, all the links will be in the description below. So if you want to have the same style bucket hat, it's easy to make. I really don't want this video to stretch too long, so I will be a little bit quicker and show you the last bits of what I have for today. The cotton cardigan I'm wearing, and it replaces me some jackets, and just perfect for this pre-summer weather. I needed this cardigan pretty tight so it doesn't get the wind through, so it's really nice, and I will continue wearing, and I love the color as well. As I said before, I love when my friends are giving me some ideas and ordering something what they would like to have, and this crochet market bag is one of that crochet things which I would maybe not crochet myself, that would never came up in my head, but my friend asked me to knit to crochet one for her, and I did it in beige color, but I really liked the idea, so I decided to make the tutorial and written pattern, and also I made myself in other color. I don't know why green, but it looks small, but it's very strong, and you can put a lot of stuff in there and nothing will happen. And I use the corn fiber yarn, which is very sturdy and nothing happens to it. So I already tested it more than 5-6 times, and I really love it. And this is one thing I will also wear this summer. And another one cute crochet accessory I made for my friend, and she asked, can I make her crochet barefoot sandals? And I said yes, and when I made a pair for her, I decided that I have to have also a pair of these just for fun. And if you like these little crochet accessories, you can find the tutorial here on YouTube and also on my website. Okay, now this will be the last, I promise. My son, he suddenly got into these Amigurumi crochet toys, and he just really made me crazy by asking, can you do this for me now? I needed it yesterday, and these are the few toys I made for him. Found whatever yarn I had in my stash. I didn't buy anything, whatever worked fine. I didn't look for any patterns except this reversible octopus. I found it on YouTube, you can find it very easy there. And the rest I just worked up as I went. I didn't look for the patterns, I just created something on the way because I needed it like very fast. He was really coming every 5 minutes saying, and is it finished? Is it finished yet? Okay, that's it for today. Before I said that I don't have anything to show, but actually I have few pieces left, but I will leave it for next time. So if you watch till the end, please press like button, subscribe to my channel, and I see you next time. Bye!